Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet Adjeley potato salad. We will begin by outlining the essential components needed for this delightful dish. Next, we will walk through the preparation process, ensuring your potatoes are perfectly cooked and your dressing is expertly blended. Finally, we will cover the best practices for chilling and serving, guaranteeing a refreshing and flavorful experience for everyone. To create this wonderful potato salad, you will need approximately 2 pounds of white potatoes, peeled and cut into even bite-sized pieces. For richness, have 3 hard-boiled eggs ready, along with about 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Finely chop 1 small onion, 1 green bell pepper, and a handful of fresh parsley. Season with 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar for a balanced taste. First, boil your diced potatoes in generously salted water for about 10 to 15 minutes, until they are tender but still hold their shape. Drain and let them cool completely. While the potatoes cool, finely chop your hard-boiled eggs, onion, green bell pepper, and fresh parsley. In a separate bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, mustard, garlic salt, black pepper, and cider vinegar to create your flavorful dressing. Gently combine the cooled potatoes, chopped eggs, and vegetables with the dressing, being careful not to mash the potatoes. After gently mixing, ensure all ingredients are thoroughly coated with the dressing for a consistent flavor in every bite. Cover the potato salad tightly and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and enhances the overall texture. Before serving, give it a final gentle stir and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a few extra spring onions. Enjoy this delightful, chilled potato salad as a perfect accompaniment to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.